Good morning, people. So it's 4 o'clock in the morning, and we are getting ready for the trip. It's gonna be. We plan to do 12 hours riding at this moment, so see how we go, how is the weather, but it should be okay. Our motorcycle is packed up and we are ready to go. You want to say something? Where are we now?
Close to Abangkay, ang Itmek. Our story.
Our first stop.
Yeah. Finally, you do with mop.
And now we are having lunch. It's a midday. It's beautiful here. So now we are close to Andavilas and we have stopped to help local because he had a puncture. So in the meantime, while he fixes it, we're gonna have a bit of break, and we are just on top of the mountain. It's 4 p.m. and we're having a break, and someone decided to sleep. Do you want coffee? That. Good morning. So it's day 2. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and we are in Ayacucho. We stayed overnight in Ayacucho, and at this hotel, it's called Dulce Sueño, Sweet Dream, and it was 40 soles. It's pretty nice. And now we're gonna be leaving to San Bartolo. It's gonna take about 8 hours, 8.5 hours ride in. It's close to Lima, just before Lima. So yeah, and then the following day we're gonna be heading to Huaraz. So it's gonna be 8 hours or something like this as well. Okay, I'll keep you updated. So after one ride in, on the way from Ayacucho to Lima, we just decided to stop. And I don't know the exact location, but it's very beautiful here. So you can have a look. Okay. So we stopped again because we are at the snow. Good afternoon. So it's 2:30 p.m. and we just got past Pisco. On the way to Lima, we are on the Pan American Highway. And what you see behind us is we just left a town called Chicha, and you can buy the Peruvian Pisco here. There's a big selection of Pisco. Good morning. So day 3 now, and we are in San Bartolo. We stayed here over the night. It's 1 hour away from Lima, just before Lima. We stay by the coast, by the ocean. It's 50 soles, but yeah, still a little bit tired. But I think from here to Huaraz it's another 10 hours, but we will try to make it in one day. And yeah, it's been so far a very beautiful trip, and we enjoy so much. So be very happy to continue our trip and make it to Huaraz. And let's see, I'll keep you posted. Hey guys, so day 4. We are at the Huaraz National Park, and here's the beautiful turquoise lagoon, just what you see behind me. And also you're gonna see the snow-capped mountains, which is just right there. And it's just a beautiful, very beautiful ride as well. And it's a very beautiful area, you know. It's not just the national park, but from Huaraz to basically Caras. We just enjoy very much riding on the motorcycle, and yeah, highly recommended this area. So keep you updated, guys. Okay, so it's lunchtime, and we decided to have a stop and have a lunch. Uh, so we are still in the Boscaran, in between the mountains, and we're gonna have a lunch between the cows, as you see. So it's very beautiful, peaceful area, and you can also bring your camping gear and you can camp here. We've seen just a few people, few tourists with their camping trucks, and yeah, so it's very open area to enjoy. You know, there's no restrictions. You can stay as much as you want, as long as you want. It's very beautiful. Okay, guys. So this is our new restaurant, just here by the river, and there's a beautiful, beautiful little cow. Hello. Oh, and there's another one. Ooh. Okay, but we have our own bread rolls and tuna. We're not gonna eat the cows. I don't like killing animals. I like them a lot. Are you gonna be friendly, little one? Come here. Come here. Okay. And here is another animal. That's my little monkey. You want to say something? No. Okay. She needs her protein. Good afternoon. So our trip continues, and we are on the way from Caras to Tarapoto. And when you take up this trip, you're gonna go through Canyon del Pato. So basically, it's a very beautiful canyon, very nice experience. You're gonna be riding through many tunnels, as you see there. And then I'll turn around, we continue, we're gonna go this way. Okay, and I'm not sure how many kilometers is this canyon, the road through the canyon, but it's a very amazing experience. And then you can see, I'll just show you from the top, basically the canyon. Okay, and the road continues, you know, along all the way through the canyon. So we're gonna keep recording and from the phone, but at least you can visualize actually the beauty of the country. Okay, thank you very much. Good morning, guys. So it's a day 5. It's 9:45 a.m. and we are basically on the way to Tarapoto, to the jungle. But we made a quick stop at Laguna Prano. Um, the altitude is, I think, 3,800 meters above the sea level, and as you see behind me, here's the lagoon, and then the snow-capped mountain as well. Uh, if I move, it's very beautiful trip as well. So that's again close to Huaraz. It's like 1 hour away from Huaraz, and the road is a bit bumpy, lots of rocks on the road, you know. But if you have good motorcycle or maybe by car, so you can make it a bit quicker. But yeah, it's worth the trip, definitely worth. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, so I walked down to the lagoon, and I have my motorcycle just somewhere there in the middle of the mountain, and you see the beautiful, beautiful water. It's about 20 degrees now here, so I'm just about to take my clothes off and go for a swim. But it's very icy cold water, but doesn't matter. I'll be happy. Okay, guys, so let's go for a swim. There's plenty of rocks. I just have to be careful a little bit. Deep, deep, deep breath. Oh, nice. Close to the heart attack, but I survived. Okay, guys, so I want to give you some updates on Huascaran. Um, what happened in 1970s is, and that's well, 52 years ago, there was a expedition of 15 people from Czechoslovakia, and they decided to climb up the mountains basically, and then uh, just a couple of days before they were climbing the mountain, there was also earthquake happening in Peru, and as they were climbing, so the avalanche just killed them, and actually it killed also the majority of people in the little village called Yukai, which is close to Karas. And all up, I think it was around 70,000 people that died in the 1970s. I'm not sure exactly in which day, which month, but I think it was something around May, end of May, maybe 23rd of May. But there are some documents about this actually on YouTube, or you can read about it on internet. It's very interesting. So yeah, that's this tragedy basically happened, and I think it's actually the biggest tragedy in South America uh, that happened, and it was in the 1970s. So please look it up, and yeah, it's very interesting to read it as well. Hey guys, so I want to update you. We didn't make it to Tarapoto because Google took us very wrong way, and we basically lost 2 days, and just coming back we had to come back, and I wouldn't be able to make it on time because I have my commitments in Cusco as well. So we went to Chimbote, stayed in Tortuga, and from Tortuga we went to San Baltoro to stay over the night, and now we are in Paracas, basically on the way back to Cusco, but it's very nice. Paracas is very nice, and we have a amigo with a hotel here, so he lets us to put the motorcycle inside the hotel as well. Uh, and yeah, it's very touristic actually. A very beautiful area. So try to post some more videos, make some more videos, and yeah, we're gonna go to the beach for a swim now.